Means of transportations. There are three types of transportations. Air transportation, land transportation, and maritime transportation. Let's learn about maritime transportation. Submarine. Submarine. Hey, this is submarine. Submarine. Ship. Ship. Sailboat. Sailboat. The second type of transportation is air transportation. Helicopter. Helicopter. Ooh, it's rocket. Rocket. UFO. Wow, it's UFO. Blimp. Blimp. Hot air balloon. Hot air balloon is also air transportation. Aeroplane. Aeroplane. Chairlift. Chairlift. The third and main transportation is land transportation. Cycle. Cycle. Scooty. Scooty. Mopped. Mopped. Motorbike. Motorbike. Car. Car. Oh, bus. This is bus. Tow truck. Yeah, tow truck is also a mean of transportation. School bus. School bus. Dump truck. Dump truck. Pickup truck. Pickup truck. Excavator. Excavator. Crane. This is crane. Racing car. Racing car. Taxi cab. Taxi cab. Ambulance. Ambulance. Police car. Police car. Utility truck. Utility truck. Tractor. Tractor. Truck. Truck. Tanker. Oil or water tanker. Van. Van. Carriage. This is carriage. Train. Train. Tram. Yeah, this is tram. Tram is also a means of transportation.